Chapter 12. The Directions. Introduction. Monu, I want the direction to your house. Shalu, when you reach the post office, turn left. When you come to end of the road, turn right. Can you define the word directions as the way of movement? The word left and right tell us which way to go. They are direction words. To go anywhere, you should have the knowledge of directions. We use our hands to show the direction. The left hand shows the direction and the right hand shows the right direction. We need direction to find our way. Deepak is facing the rising sun. He is facing east. Behind him is west. The sun sets in the west. There is south in his right hand and north in his left hand. Thus there are four directions: east, west, north and south. With their help, we can find four other directions. Let me answer. A. Have you ever seen a rising sun? B. Why do we use the words left, right and straight to tell the direction? We often use the words left, right and straight to tell people how to reach a place. They are called subdirections. Look at the diagram. Halfway between north and east is northeast. Halfway between north and west is northwest. Halfway between south and east is southeast. Halfway between south and west is southwest. Fact Finder. The four corners of the world refer to America West, Europe North, Asia East and Africa South. To go from one place to other place, we need directions. To locate any place, we need directions. For example, we say that Tamil Nadu is in south of India and Himachal Pradesh is in north of India. Research and analysis. If you know where north lies, you can find the other three directions very easily. Find out in which direction your school is from your house. Now look at this map. A map is drawing of an area. It helps us to find places and directions. The top of the map always points to the north direction. The lower part points to the south to your right. It is the east to your left in the west. Before going to any place, we must know about the directions. Health and wellness. The position of the pole stars, sun and moon in the sky were used to check the direction in the earlier days. The development of the compass then led to changes in the method of knowing directions. Indian Heritage Connect. In India long ago, people used to the sun to find direction. Do you know how they did it? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Summary. The word left and right tell us which way to go. We need direction to find our way. There are four main directions: east, west, north, south. The top of the map always point to the north direction. Art integration. Draw a picture of your four small things which can be drawn easily that you can find in the north, south, east and west direction of your house. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. This is a sketch of your house. Speak out the direction in which school, marketplace, post office and some other neighborhoods lie. Cross-curricular connect. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Find the right path for the car to reach the petrol pump. Logical decision making. You are taking a journey by road to your uncle's house in another city. Do you think it is important to know the directions? If yes, why? Discuss with your classmates. Let's practice. A. Write short answers to the given questions. 1. In which direction is Deepak's face? 2. In which direction is Deepak's right hand? 3. In which direction is your school from your house? 4. In which direction is Himachal Pradesh of India? 5. Write the names of the four corners of the world. B. Write long answers to the given questions. 1. What are landmarks? 2. How can you know the direction with the help of the rising of the sun? 3. What is the direction between south and east called? 4. How can we know the directions on a map? C. Fill in the blanks. 1. The sun rises in the dash. 2. The right hand shows the dash. 3. The park is in the dash of my house. 4. The school is in the dash of my house. 5. The temple is in dash of my house. D. Pick the correct options. 1. The direction of Tamil Nadu of India is dash. 1 east, 2 west, 3 north, 4 south. 2. Which direction does the lower part of a map point to dash? 1 east to north, 3 south, 4 west. 3. Deepak's life hand is in dash direction. 1 south to north, 3 west, 4 east. 4. The sun sets in the dash. 1 north, 2 south, 3 east, 4 west. E. Match the column. Column A. 1. North, south, east, west. 2. Top of map. 3. Direction between south and east. Column B. A north, B south, east, C directions. Conceptual understanding. How many tons come in the way of your school from your home? Writing skill. Look at the map and fill in the direction. 1. My house is to the dash. 2. The hospital is to the dash. 3. Towards the northeast is the dash. 4. Raghav's house is to the dash. 5. The post office is towards dash. 6. Rupa's house is towards the dash. 7. On the southeast is the dash.